Diane and Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. We are down in the basement, actually in the boiler room this morning. All this week I've been checking with you from Flylady Zone 3, which is the bathroom plus one other room. I've been in the bathroom, I've been in my office, in the garden shed, and we're just looking for one thing to declutter every day this month. Just start with one, see where it leads from there. And if you want to do a bit more, remember to set a timer for 15 minutes. Don't go overboard with this. And I've got a few items to show you from here. Let's get straight onto it. I've got a couple of handbags. And one is a bum bag, you know, a leather bum bag. That belonged to my daughter. We're not holding on to that, so that is going. Plus a vintage bag that I've had since I was a teenager. That one is also going. I don't know why I was holding on to it so long. I'm never going to use it again. But I have quite a few friends, for example, my friend Vibeke, who likes vintage stuff. And otherwise, it's just going to the next swap party. This is also where I hang up our washing. We don't use a tumble dryer, so I hang the washing from here and it dries from one day to the next. And then in the spring, summer, I get it outside in the garden. Anyway, I've gone through all the hangers that we have because we had a lot of coat hangers because our two kids, they've both got their own flats now. They live in other areas of Copenhagen and they've got their own coat hangers. So look at all that. Whoa, all these coat hangers are going. And any of the things that I mentioned, they're either going to our next swap party or my friend Karen, who organises help for refugees here, or a women's shelter, or the book exchange. So everything that you see me doing here is being handed on to somebody else. And a couple of pairs of boots, because this is where we store winter stuff. Boots that I'm never going to wear again. They're just not comfy. And I've got my white Doc Martens and I've got a white pair of snow boots. So those ones are going. I've also got an old pair of brown, chocolate brown boots that I sometimes wear. And these ones, funny story about these are some snow boots that I've had for years and years and years. And you know what? I wore them outside and guess what happened? The rubber started chipping off because I thought, and that has happened to me before with some old boots. So just be warned about that. If you're keeping things like winter boots for years and years and years, check that they're still in good nick because these ones are just going straight in the bin. I can't be walking around and having bits falling off. So anyway, let me know what you can declutter today. Remember, we're just looking for one thing. Have a fantastic Friday. Weekend is on the horizon. Remember to like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. And I'll see you back here tomorrow. Okay, rah, rah, rah. Bye for now.